Good morning dear students, welcome once again. So in this session we are going to discuss GK for class 7. Okay, so the first chapter begins with Indian first. That means who are the person who got themselves registered as first Indian to become something, or the first Indian to have taken certain designation or post. Okay, right? So let's begin our session. Your first question states, everyone open your book and match it up and try to fill your answers also. Okay, so who was the women speaker of the State Assembly? The first Indian woman speaker of the State Assembly. It was Shanno Devi. Yes, as it is very much visible. Okay, just note it down clearly. Shanno Devi, the first woman speaker of the State Assembly. Right. Now another question is Indian Civil Service Officer. Who is the first Indian Civil Service Officer? It was Satyendranath Tagore, the brother of Rabindranath Tagore, right? Yes. Now, who was the first woman advocate? It was Cornelia Sorabji, right? Yes. The first Indian who became the astronaut. Who is an astronaut? The person who goes to the space, right? Yes. So, the first Indian to become an astronaut is Rakesh Sharma, right? Yes. Another question, to climb the Mount Everest without oxygen, that means who was the first Indian who climbed the Mount Everest without oxygen, mind you. Okay, so who was the first Indian? As we know, as we ascend towards the hill or as we ascend the mountain, the amount of oxygen gets reduced. In order to enrich the oxygen, in order to get proper amount of oxygen, the mountaineers or divers also who are swimming inside the water, they carry oxygen cylinder in the back and having a mask through which they are taking the oxygen. So who was the person, who was the Indian who climbed the Mount Everest without oxygen, without taking the oxygen cylinder? It was Phu Dorji. Okay, clear? Yes. Another question, who was the Oscar winner? Who was the first Indian? Who was the Oscar winner? It was Bhanu Athaiya. Okay, clear? Yes, it was Bhanu Athaiya who was the Oscar winner, who won the Oscar award, who the first Indian who registered himself as the Oscar winner. Okay, it was Bhanu Athaiya. Note it down fast, everyone. Yes, everyone should note it down fast. Right. Try to keep a book also, because it is very necessary. Whenever you are undergoing such subjects, you should have a book with you. Okay? Yes. Now, who was the first Indian who became the test captain? He was C.K. Naidu. Okay, clear? Yes, the first test captain, first Indian who became the test captain, he was nobody but C.K. Naidu. Another question states, the man, the first Indian man to swim across the English Channel. Okay, so English Channel, who was the first Indian, who was the first man, Indian, who crossed the English Channel? It was Mihir Sen. So the first Indian man who swam across the English Channel was Mihir Sen, right? Yes. Now the woman, the first woman to swim across the English Channel, the first man was Mihir Sen, but when it comes to the category of women, it was Arati Saha. Okay, so the first woman, first Indian woman to swim across the English Channel was Arati Saha. Clear? Yes. Now who was the first Indian who got the Magsaysay award, or who is the first Indian woman, sorry, who was the first Indian who won the Magsaysay award? It was Acharya Vinoba Bhave. Okay, yes, note it down fast. These are the things only to get it learned by heart, so there is no hard and fast rule. Only you have to learn these things by understanding. Like Magsaysay award, who won the first Magsaysay award from India? It was Acharya Vinoba Bhave, right? Like this. So another question, the Nobel Prize winner. Nobel Prize winner means the first Indian who won the Nobel Prize. Who was the first Indian? It was Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, so he was the person who won the first Nobel Prize from India. Earlier than that, only the Britishers or only the Western European country people have won the Nobel Prize. But after some days, the first Indian who won the Nobel Prize, the first Indian to won the Nobel Prize, it was Rabindranath Tagore. Okay, yes. Another question, woman chief minister of a state. That means who was the first Indian woman who was selected as the chief minister of a state? She was nobody but Sucheta Kripalani. You might have learned her name in SST also, Sucheta Kripalani, the first Indian woman who was selected as the chief minister of a state. Earlier than that, no woman has become the chief minister of a state. It was Sucheta Kripalani who became the first woman chief minister of a state. Clear? Yes. Now another question states, who was the first commander in chief of independent India? Mind you, the first Indian to become the commander in chief. Earlier Britishers were only given the title commander in chief and others. Okay, yes. So when India became independent, when India got its freedom after independence, India after freedom, who was the first Indian who took this post or who hold this post of commander in chief? He was General K.M. Cariappa, or you can simply write K.M. Cariappa. Okay, General K.M. Cariappa you can also write. So another question, who was the first Miss Universe from our country, from Indian? Who was the first Indian who became the Miss Universe? Obviously it's title for women's, right? So the first woman, or you can say the first Indian who got the title of Miss Universe was Sushmita Sen. Very famous name. You might have seen her in the movies also, right? Yes, very famous personality. So Sushmita Sen was the first Indian Miss Universe, right? Yes. Now who was the first Indian who received the Dada Sahab Phalke award? Dada Sahab Phalke award was received, or it was took by Devika Rani. Okay, so the first recipient, the first Indian recipient of Dada Sahab Phalke award was Devika Rani. Clear? Yes, these are the famous first Indians. Note it down fast. Okay, yes. I think you have also got the answers, so nothing to worry about. I don't think there will be any problem in that. Moving on to the next chapter. Okay, you just open it, next page of your book, GK, right? Yes. Now these are the names of famous award winners. Okay, you first note it down. Note it down, everyone. There is some mistakes permitted by the book. Somewhere box has not been made. Somewhere you have to get outside the box. Okay, you write it down. Amartya Sen, Radha Krishnan, Mandela, Nelson Mandela, that is B.C. Roy, C.V. Raman, Ambedkar. You wrote it down fast. Okay. Have you noted it down? Yes. Now, the first question, across. This one is across, this one is down. Okay. So in across, you have to fill like this. And if the statement, everyone see page number 2. In across, in 3 number. Okay, 3 number here across. Okay, won Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. It was Amartya Sen who won the Nobel Prize for Economics in 1998. Right? Yes. Is it visible? Yes. See it very clearly, very closely, dear. Okay. Amartya Sen. Now, number 5 is also across. 5 across. A respected physician and freedom fighter served as Chief Minister of West Bengal for 14 years. For 14 years he has been served as freedom fighter, also served as Chief Minister of West Bengal for 14 years. Right? Yes. Who was he? 5 across. It will be, yes, B. It was 5 across, right? Note it down. B.C. Roy. Okay, 5 number is given over here and across you have to go. So B.C. Roy. Okay. Now 9 number across. Where is 9? Yes, you can find it out. Where is 9? I think it is 9. Yes, it is 9. Okay. The question is across. Architecture of Indian Constitution. So who was the architecture of Indian Constitution? You might have read in your SST also the architecture of our Indian Constitution. Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Space is only there for the Ambedkar. So you note down Ambedkar. Okay. Yes. It is Ambedkar. Right? Yes. Now number 10 across. Where is number 10? Here is number 10 across. You make one blank because one blank is less. So question is a famous sitarist. A very famous sitarist you have to name. Set the music for Sare Jahan Se Acha. So who was the famous sitar player who formed Sare Jahan Se Acha, Hindustan Hamara, right? It was Ravi Shankar, Pandit Ravi Shankar. Okay. Yes. Now down. Down means this direction, right? Down. Now the number has been given first down. Where is number 1? 1 down. It is 1. Here it is written 1 down. So here with first name as Nelson. Mind you, first name was Nelson. He is a person who fought against apartheid system, discrimination of black people by the whites, right? Apartheid system. Who fought against apartheid system? First name as Nelson. It was Nelson Mandela. So Mandela is the word that is written down 1, right? Yes. Now number 2 down. Where is number 2? Number 2 is over here. Yes, number 2 is over here, right? Now number 2 states a former president of India whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day. Yes, Teachers' Day is approaching. Yes. So it was Radhakrishnan, S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Because space is not much there, so only Radhakrishnan comes. Okay, so he was the former president of India. He also served as president of country. Okay, whose birthday is celebrated as Teachers' Day, right? So it was Dr. S. Radhakrishnan, Dr. Radhakrishnan. 4. Number 4, down it is. Where is number 4? Number 4 is over here. Down it is. Okay. Number 4 states, young Prime Minister of India, also a pilot. So who was the young Prime Minister of our country? Who was also a pilot? It was Rajiv Gandhi. Yes, he was also a pilot, as well as he was the youngest Prime Minister of our country. Right? Yes. Number 6, down it is. Where is number 6? 6, and down you have to come. Okay. Number 6 says, awarded Nobel Prize for Physics in 1930. Yes, in the year 1930, it was Dr. C.V. Raman, who got the award. Right? Yes. Now number 7 down. Where is number 7? Here is number 7, and down you have to fill. Right? First to receive commercial pilot's license and a legendary businessman. Who was the first to receive commercial pilot license and legendary businessman? He was J.R.D. Tata. He was the first legendary who received the commercial pilot's license, and he was a businessman also. Right? Clear? I don't think there will be any problem to anyone regarding these chapter. Right? Now number 8 down. Number 8. Where is number 8, dear? Yes, here it is. Number 8 down. Okay. If the book writes across, you have to go like this. If it is writing down, you have to go like this. Okay. Simple thing you have to follow. Number 8 is known as Gandhi of the South. So who is the Gandhi of the South? Who was awarded Bharat Ratna in 1976? It was K. Kamaraj. Okay. So it was K. Kamaraj who was awarded the Bharat Ratna in 1976. Clear? Yes. So these are the very famous questions which you have just learned. I think everybody might have noted it down. Yes? Answers were also being given here. So if you are a bit serious towards your studies, you might have completed it, I think. Right? Yes. Now here, Taste of India. Next chapter is your Taste of India, in which famous, everybody look into the book, very famous foods are being given. Okay? Yes. So very famous foods are being given. You have to just identify, you have to tell of which state or to which region. Okay? These foods belong to. The first question was, let us first drop into this tiny seaside state. It is a tiny seaside state. Okay, so seaside state like Maharashtra is there, your Goa is there, right? Kerala is there, seaside state, and enjoy some sannas. Some sannas. That means it is a type of idli where you found sannas. Sorpotel. Sorpotel is a pork preparation in vinegar. When you prepare pork in vinegar, it is sorpotel. And a sweet dish called bebinka. So, of which state it belongs to? It belongs to Goa. Yes, bebinka, sorpotel, sannas. So, you will be given question like this. In which state you found the famous food like sorpotel, bebinka, sannas? You have to just write Goa. Okay? Yes. Come on to number 2. Our next stop is God's own country. That means it's God's own country. Here we relish a delicious meal, appam, kojiyarachi. Kojiyarachi is coconut-based chicken curry. Okay, coconut-based chicken curry is your kojiyarachi. After after that enjoy generous helping of payasam, very famous payasam sweet dish. Yes, payasam, you might also be using this word payasam. Of which state these famous foods Kojiyarachi, Appam, payasam belong to? It belongs to Kerala. Yes, you have to remember these things. Okay, now learn these things very carefully dear, because I am taking the GK also. So in the coming days you might have to face the GK questions also. Okay, now the third question, from the south. So this state belongs to south. Let's travel north. Okay, we have traveled towards the south. Goa is there, Kerala is there. Now from south let's travel north. Now coming on to the north side, where we enjoy eating yakhani. Okay, yakhani is the name of the food. Yakhani is lamb and yogurt. Okay, yogurt is there and lamb is there. Okay, Rogan Josh, methi chaman, and sweet dish called shufta. Where we find all these famous foods? Rogan Josh, methi chaman and shufta. These are famous foods of Jammu and Kashmir. So you write it, Jammu and Kashmir is the name of the state, right? Yes, these are very simple answers, or you can say very simple questions. You have to just get it learned by heart that which famous food belongs to which state, to which region. Okay, yes, it is like this only. Now coming on to the next page. Okay, here is one more page coming to your way. Yes, now everyone look into the page number 4. It is, I think, no, it is 5. So it's Navaratri. So it's Navaratri and we are invited for a sumptuous meal of Wagharela Bhat, where we find Wagharela Bhat and Khatta Mag, followed by sweet dish called Mohan Thal. A sweet dish is there which is known as Mohan Thal, and Khatta Mag and Wagharela Bhat is there. It was Gujarat. Yes, Gujaratis are very famous for these dishes, Wagharela Bhat and Khatta Mag, as well as Mohan Thal, which is a sweet dish. So whenever you visit Gujarat family, or whenever you visit your friend who is a Gujarati, you tell him to bring a Mohan Thal or Khatta Mag sometimes. Okay, yes. Now next question. Off to this northeastern state where we order Jatti Lau Tenga, okay, or Anja. Anja means fish curry with rich ground and potato pithika. To satisfy your sweet tooth, we enjoy a bowl of Kamalar Payesh. This one is sweet one, Kamalar Payesh. Where we found these foods, Jatti Lau Tenga, Anja is there, which is a fish curry, okay, and potato pithika. And to satisfy our sweet tooth, we enjoy a bowl of Kamalar Payesh. It was Assam, okay, yes, it was Assam where we found Jatti Lau Tenga and Kamalar Payesh, and Anja is there, which is a fish curry. Okay. Now number 6. This North Indian state serves the best malai kofta. Here we found malai kofta, masaledar murg and shag ghost. And who can forget the delicious gajar ka halwa? Yes, very famous dish, gajar ka halwa. It is no other state but it's Punjab. Yes, where this famous gajar ka halwa, masaledar murg and shag ghost. Okay, makai di roti and sarson da saag. Yes, yes, it is very famous food of Punjab. Yes. Now coming on to the chapter question number 7. Back down south we have Mulli Gattauni soup. Okay, Mulli Gattauni soup is there, dish made of red lentils and black peppercorns. Okay, it was Mulli Gattauni soup. Chettinad chicken is also there, and Paniyaram, which is a sweet idli. Where we found this famous dish? It is in Tamil Nadu. Okay, yes. Now after this, another question. We sit down for a meal of amrood ki sabji, panchmela ki dal. Okay, So अमरूद की सब्जी, पंचमेला की दाल and लाल मांस. These are the famous foods of Rajasthan with the helping of gatta pulao, a very famous pulao named gatta pulao. Don't forget about it. It's a very famous food of, yes, Rajasthan. Okay, clear? Yes, these are the famous foods of these famous areas. Clear? Yes. Now identify the sport. There are some sports which are being given, right? You have to identify the sport. Everyone open your book. This 4 number chapter, identify the sport. Played in 4 to 8 chakkars. Played with 4 to 8 chakkars. Each team consists of 4 players. One team consists of 4 players. Bump, hook, handicap and neck shot are some of the common terms in this game. What is the name of the game? Yes, it is polo. Okay. Another question, in this men's Olympic sport, each participant competes in 10 different athletic events. So in 10 different athletic events you have to compete. This decathlon. Okay, deca means 10, so decathlon is the answer. Okay, yes. Number 3, in this team sport, each player has a stick with a net at one end in which they catch, carry, pass, shoot the ball. That means they have to catch it, carry it, pass it and shoot the ball. It is a lacrosse. Stick is there at the end of which a net is there. Okay, yes. Now another question, polo, sprint and slalom are various categories of this rough water sport. It is canoeing. Canoeing is nothing but boating. Rowing is canoeing. Okay, yes. Now number 5, the New Zealand national team of this sport is called the All Blacks and Australian call their team the Wallabies. What is the name of the sport? Where Australians are known themselves as Wallabies and New Zealand national team of sport called All Blacks. It is rugby, American football, right? Yes. Now the Winter Olympics event is played in categories like alpine, downhill and slalom and Nordic combined, which is cross country game. This is Winter Olympics. Yes. What is the name? It is skiing. Yeah, you might have seen the picture of skiing, right? People doing the skiing. Okay. Now another question. This event was not held in 1956 Melbourne Olympics owing to strict quarantine laws and is the only Olympic event in which an animal wins a medal. What is the name of the sport in which animal wins the medal? It is equestrian. Horses made to get over the barrier. You might have seen. Yes, it is equestrian. Okay, horses are meant to jump over the barriers. Okay, over the poles. That is equestrian. And it is grueling athletic event in which the participants swim, cycle and run. That means 3 athletic event is there: cycling, swimming and then they run against each other. Triathlon. To some distance they swim, after that they cycle and then they run against each other. It is triathlon because 3 athletic event they are facing, right? Yes. Now learn all these questions very carefully because it's a high time for you to remember these things. Okay? Yes, it is very necessary for you to learn. Now it's a time to note down your homework. Learn the Indian first. You have to learn the things. In fact, you have to learn all the things. Number 2 question. Which state's food is Rogan Josh, Methi Chaman, Shufta? Okay? Yes. So till the next time I am going to meet you with another chapter. It's a bye from my side. Thank you. Take care of your GK also, dear.